Today we're going to show you how to replace the high and low pressure seals in a CAT 310 pump. In front of me I have the tools required for the job: a rubber mallet, a number 8 Allen wrench, a set of reverse pliers, and a seal retainer removal tool. In front of me here I have the pump. We're going to start out with our Allen wrench. We're going to remove each Allen bolt on each side of the pump. The head will slide directly off the pump. You may need a little bit of force, some light tapping with the rubber mallet. Once you have the head off, low pressure seals will be right down the brass retainers. You can remove these either using your fingers, like such, or with a set of reverse pliers. As you can see here, we have a brand new CAT low pressure seal. And in this example, we have the worn out seal that we're replacing. You can see from the evidence of wear here on the top that the metal is exposed, in contrary to the new CAT seal. And in this example, you can see that the seal is completely deformed, losing its integrity and worn down. These are clear evidence that the seal is needed replaced in this pump. Now we're going to remove the brass retainers. Taking one out at a time, using your CAT tool, spin them counterclockwise until they loosen up, using your hands to remove them from there. Keep in mind this is brass, so it can be nicked or scarred very easily, marring the threads. Now what you'll notice down inside is your high pressure seal. Again, you can remove this using your fingers, a screwdriver, or the easiest way, your reverse pliers. Once you take out the remaining two retainers, remove the seals, you're ready to put the new seals into the pump and reassemble. With your CAT rebuild kit, which includes both high and low pressure seals, you're going to open it up. You're going to take out your high pressure seal. Using your fingers, you're going to place it down inside the chamber, spring side down. It's very easy to determine which side is the spring side by looking at the seal. The top has a smooth face, and you can see the actual exposed spring on the bottom. You always want the spring side down. Take your brass retainer, start threading it clockwise with your fingers, and then snugging it down with your seal retainer tool. Following the same process as the high pressure seals, you'll take the seal, spring side down, and put it in with your fingers. Once you have that completed, you're going to take your head and put it back onto the pump. The pump pistons should be aligned in such configuration: the two ends out and the middle piston in. This will help with the alignment of the head going back onto the pump. And gently begin to push the head back onto the pistons. Once you get the pistons on and you get it lined up properly, using your rubber mallet again, you can begin to softly tap each side gently until the head is completely back on. Once the pump head is back on, take your two Allen bolts, begin to manually thread them with your fingers. Take your number 8 Allen wrench, screw them in, snugging down each side evenly. You don't want to torque one side too much before the other. You take a chance of not getting a good even seal across the face of the pump and the head. Once you have that done, your pump's ready to go back into service or sit on your shelf as a spare.